Dear team, today we have initialized one new activity, new initiative. The credit of this activity goes to Smita ma'am. Thanks for the video which she has shared on the WhatsApp group. This activity is basically the preparation for final year project, but we know that students are motivated and they can do all the activities if it is related with the exams. That's why we have done this activity as a part of ESMP mini project, and this activity is to be done by all the students compulsorily. Okay, so let me explain you what this activity is all about. So in this activity, department will be floating some group of, you can see some research papers are being floated. Okay, so it is expected that student will select any one research paper from the available domains. Okay, there are more than 500. It is expected that there are more than 500 research papers will be made available. So as a faculty, everyone is expected to contribute some 8 to 10 paper, a good quality research paper, into the folder. So the link for that is already shared in the morning. You can see this is the link which is already shared in the morning, where you can upload the research paper. So these are the papers which is uploaded. Now once the paper is made available to the student can select any one research paper, and we have shared another link. As you can see, this is the link for reserving the research paper. That means in this link, student can reserve. This is the Google form where they can enter domain, title of the paper, and they can reserve it, so that same paper will not be taken by other team members or other students. The question may come that how one student will come to know who has taken what. So for that purpose, we have made this is the second link which is talking about reservation status. So here this is visible to the student in a view form. That means they cannot change the response, but they can see which student has selected which paper. Okay, and their reservation status is visible to them. Okay, so with this, student can decide whether they can select particular paper or not. Okay, so once they select particular paper, what is the expectation? It is expected that student should write complete research paper in its own handwriting. With this own handwriting, the ultimate motive is, when student writes with their own handwriting, at least they get some 10 to 15% of the content of the paper, and they also know what are the technical details covered. They also know what is the level of English is used. Okay, so what we have done, we have made 15 marks for this activity, out of which 3 marks will be there for as it is handwritten research paper copy. So this carries 3 marks. The next, based on what is covered in the research paper, student has to create one PowerPoint slides. Okay, so this PowerPoint presentation about research paper, maybe 8 to 10 slides or some 10 to 15 slides they can create. So this carries another 3 marks. So that is basically the PPT presentation. And the third one is a video presentation about research paper. That means now student can create video by recording the content of the PowerPoints, and they can simply read the content of research paper. So because of this video presentation, they will also come to know some contents of that research paper, and this case 4 marks. So 3 marks for handwritten work, 3 marks for PowerPoints, and 4 marks for video presentation. So in this way there is a 10 marks reserved for research paper. It is expected that the same research paper need to be interpreted in its own words, and this interpretation and rewriting the paper in own words carries 5 marks. So this is a bonus marks. So 10 marks is made compulsory for submission. That means whosoever student does the submission, they will get 10 marks. But this 5 marks will be awarded to only those students who gives good quality research paper in its own words. Okay, so in order to do the submission, we have made a provision for a Google form. You can see this is another Google form. I think link is already shared. This is the link for submission of research paper. Here you can see student can enter name, IRN number, seat number, mobile number, title of the paper, authors, where it is published. They can upload their handwritten paper, they can upload their PPT, they can upload their video, and handwritten paper in own language. Okay, so this is what the activity is all about. So now key expectation from all faculty members that they should upload some papers in this folder in the Google Drive. So that is already shared here. As you can see, at 12:10 I have shared one folder. Everybody is expected to contribute for the paper. Okay, so with this I believe that entire team can contribute for this activity, so that every student will have exposure of at least one good quality research paper. So that will help us in final year projects next year. Okay, thank you.